Ever wonder how top Amazon sellers track their competition? Here's the secret tool they use. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you all of JungleScout's tools that they offer. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, you want to go to JungleScout and you want to check out what the tool actually is. JungleScout is a tool for Amazon sellers, and right now this pretty much tool is to centralize your product research. Skip the spreadsheets and data logging, easily organize, group, and compare product ideas, sales metrics, and confidently pick your next product to sell on Amazon. Here's what it looks like, right? And you can kind of look at it more. It's pretty much to make your life easier, and JungleScout does exactly that. I use JungleScout probably 3 to 5 times per day, every single day. It's one of my favorite tools. You can also check the pricing if you're paying annually or monthly. They do have a 7-day risk-free money-back guarantee, so you could pretty much buy this, try it for 5 days, say you don't like it, get all of your money back. At least you can try all of the tools for free. But if we log into JungleScout, we can go to the product tracker tool right here. We can track competitors, or we can even track our own products, but usually this is great for competitors, right? So you can add products right here, and then you could track them, right? We already have 20 products tracked, so you can add your products, put the ASIN in, and then it's going to show all of the products right here that you're being tracked. And what it's going to show you is it's going to show you the variant differences, the average price it's selling at, the bestseller rating, the revenue that they're making daily, how much revenue they're making monthly, right? The average units sold, the last times it was updated. So you can see a lot of different data. So let's say if we were selling multi-symptom menopause relief, this one's a different black pepper supplement. If you want to sell a wooden block game, these are toys. Another is a stacking tower. So we can kind of look at different products and see and go more in depth. Let's look more into it. So if I wanted to sell a product like this, which is a menopause relief item, as you can see, they're making a significant amount of money. $200,000 a month is pretty great. And you can see the amount of units sold. So I can actually click view and I can see when our sales spiking. If I upgrade my plan, I can see the last 3 months, the last 6 months, and you can see when do sales spike, right? So you can see if this is a seasonal product, or does it make more sales during the holiday season, or maybe is there a certain season where this product is spiking? So that way you know when to launch your product on Amazon. You want to launch before the spike happens, not after, right? If all the sales happen in December and you launch in January, it's going to be a sad January for you. So you want to launch before the spike happens. So this is a great idea. You can also add your own little internal notes here. So that way you can say, okay, I see this, I see that. And this is a great way to pretty much see what's going on in different products. And then you can also add groups. So right now I haven't added groups, but you can add groups. So you can go to next, name your product, and maybe this can be female supplements. And you can click next, and any products that we have, we could add different female supplements that we're already tracking or that we want to track, and then you can add them in here and then add those as products, and that way you can have different groups of products. So maybe you want to launch a female enhancement, maybe you want to launch a dog product, right? You want to have different products. And when you are launching products on Amazon, I do recommend having different groups of products. That's going to increase your chances of success. So for example, if a client comes to me and they only want to launch a female enhancement, I'm going to say, hey, have a female enhancement, that's great, but also have something in a completely different category. Maybe a dog product, right? Maybe an outdoor product, because that's going to increase your chances of success. If you just double down on an area that you don't know that you're going to be successful in, it may be a way to fail, and we want you to succeed. So launching 3 to 5 different products in completely different categories is going to increase your chances of success on Amazon. So here you go, you can have different groups and you can track those groups and see when is the best time to launch the products, how are the competitors doing, and go from there. Last but not least, there's a lot of different columns that you can have here that I don't have checked, right? So the categories, you can also check the Amazon fees of all the different competitors, right? Reviews, star ratings, so you know what you need to hit. If they're all making a lot of money, all of the competitors, and the reviews aren't good, that's a good sign that you can come in and dominate the competition, right? So you can do that, and then you can download the CSV. And that's pretty much it for today's video, but since you stay towards the end, I'm going to be showing you all of the tools that JungleScout offers very quickly, right? So right now they do have an academy, so that's like free training. Developers, if you are developing tools using JungleScout, the extension, which is one of my favorite tools out of every tool that I've seen, JungleScout does have one of the cleanest extensions. You can manage your products, so listing builder, how to improve your products, FBA reimbursements, inventory manager, product costs and settings. You're going to enter this if you want to, and that way JungleScout's going to look at all of your Amazon data and tell you the exact profit you're making. Because if you try to determine your profit on Amazon, as you know, they're not going to show you it. And that goes into the profit overview, profit and loss statement, other transactions, also ad analytics, review automation, which is again a tool that we use very often, keyword optimization, keyword scout, keyword lists, keyword rank tracker. Now this is going to help you with suppliers. So you can have a supplier database, supplier tracker. If you're launching products, product database for finding products, opportunities, product tracker, which is the one we're on, category trends, sales estimator. And then they have AI. I have not tried this tool yet because you have to upgrade your plan, and then they have the dashboard at the home. So there's a lot of different things on here. They do keep it simple. It's very clean, and it is a tool that I recommend you use. If you wanted to use it, feel free to go in the description, and there's a discount code if you click on the link below. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon, and if you need help setting up a tool or anything regarding Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description. You can schedule a call with us right away or message us and we'll get back to you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.